Hello students, in this lecture I'm going to configure IPv6 addresses on two machines, and then we're going to check our connection by pinging each of those machines. So the first thing I'm going to do is check the current IP addresses, and these are the IP addresses that are currently configured on my machine. I'm going to use nmcli for this. So let's start. The command I'm going to use is network manager CLI connection, and I'm just tabbing it to complete the command so the system already knows connection name, and let's call it test, interface name, and enp0s8 in my case, type Ethernet IP6, and then the actual IPv6 address. I'm just going to pick one random one, ADAF:/ACAF:1221::. Let's say this one is 5/64. Okay, successfully added. The next command is nmcli device connect enp0s8. Okay, that is also connected. And the last command is nmcli connection up test. Okay, that is connected. Now we're going to go to the other machine, and we're going to run similar commands there also. So nmcli connection add connection name test, if name enp0s8, type Ethernet IP6 2001:ADAF:/1221:764. Connected. nmcli device connect enp0s8, and the last command is nmcli connection up test. Okay, they're connected now. Let's see if I can ping from here. Ping 2001:ADAF:/ACAF:1221::, and the other machine is 5. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and just test with the ping command to make sure that we can ping the other machine. So on my first machine, I'm going to type, I always make this mistake, it's supposed to be ping 6. Otherwise, it's not going to work. It's going to give you an error. And then our IP address is 2001:ADAF:/1221::7. That's the IP address. And as you can see, it's successfully pinging. Now from the other machine, we're going to go ahead and ping 5. ADAF:/ACAF:/1221::5, and we can ping both ways. So in this lecture we have showed you how to use Network Manager CLI to configure IPv6 addresses, and we have tested them once they're configured.